Meaning of frayed.
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 Frayed. The word frayed means to become worn out or damaged due to constant use or rubbing. It is often used to describe the condition of a material or an object that has been subjected to repeated stress, causing its fibers or edges to become unraveled, tattered or fringed. Frayed edges or fabric may appear ragged, shabby, or in need of repair. The result of fraying is a loss of strength and durability, making the item less effective at its intended purpose. It can also indicate neglect or overuse, implying the need for replacement or repair.